Good morning, students. I hope you all are well at home. So today would like to take class 8th math subject. Before starting my AB, let me take the pledge against COVID. So I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all the times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. So this is your maths book, Inspired Maths. Let us start first chapter. So your first chapter is rational numbers. Your first chapter is rational number. So name of the chapter is rational number. Let us start exercise 1.1. So first of all, what is rational number? Rational number is a number that can be expressed in A upon B form. A upon B form. Any number that can be expressed in A over B form. So B should not be is equal to 0. That number is known as rational number. Rational number like 4 upon 5, 6 upon 7, etc. 0 is also a rational number because we can write 0 upon 1. So it is also in the A upon B form. So 0 is a rational number. So let us do questions. Question number 1 is express as rational number 11. First part is 11. 11 we can write 11 upon 1. So it is A upon B form. Also from the assignment, second part is minus 52.25. So we will remove here decimal. So after decimal 2 digits are there. So we will put here 100. So 2 whole 1 upon 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 and 1 you will have to add. So 7 upon 3 is the answer. I think this is clear to you. Then question number 2. Is every integer a rational number? Yes. Integers can be negative, positive. We can just put here, 1 in the denominator. So this part is true. Is 0 a rational number? Yes. 0 is a rational number because we can write it 0 upon 1. Does the largest rational number exist? False. No, we can't say. We can't say any maximum number. It can go up to infinity. So this is again false. Is 0 by 0 a rational number? That is also false. 0 by 0 form does not exist. Is 6 by 0 a rational number? That is also false because in the definition I already told to you that B should not be is equal to 0. Clear this thing? Then question number 3. First part is minus 2 upon 9 is equal to question mark upon 63 is equal to question mark upon 81. So these 3 are equivalent fraction. These 3 are equivalent fraction. We have to tell which number will come here and which number will come here. First of all, method is 63 divided by 9. 63 divided by 9. It will give us 7. 7 आ गया. So we will multiply this with 7 with numerator and denominator also. So minus 2 upon 9 multiply by 7. Multiply by 7. It will give us minus 14 upon 63. So minus 2 upon 9 is equal to minus 14 upon 63. Next one, 81 again we will divide with 9. 81 divide with 9. So it will give us 9. So again minus 2 upon 9 multiply by 9. 9 से कर दो both side. 9 2s are 18. Minus 18. 9 9s are 81. So this number is also equal to minus 18 upon 81. This is the answer. I think this method is clear to you. Second part you can do by yourself. Then question number 4 and 9 is same. I will explain one. Question number 4. Check if the following fractions are or following rational numbers are equivalent. Equivalent means equal. How we will do this? Minus 7 upon 11, 49 upon minus 77. Method is common. We will do cross multiply. Minus 7 को करो multiply 77 and next one is 49 with 11. 49 with 11. So after multiplication it will give answer. Here is also negative sign, so minus minus plus 539. 539. This will also give 539. 539. So these two numbers are equal. Then we will write these rational numbers. These rational numbers are equivalent. So another part you will do also by yourself. Minus 12 with minus 50. 77 को 36 से कर दो. ठीक है. If the answers are equal, that means these rational numbers are equivalent. अगर आंसर नहीं इक्वल है, that means rational numbers are not equivalent. Then question number 5. Write the equivalent rational numbers for minus 2 upon 7 with the following denominators. First one is minus 28. Means हमने minus 2 upon 7 को एक इक्वल नंबर में लिखना है, इक्वल रैशनल नंबर में, जिसका क्या हो डिनोमिनेटर मीन्स दिस वन minus 28 होना चाहिए. ठीक है. सो वी विल राइट. फिर क्या करेंगे? सेम मेथड. minus 28 को डिवाइड कर दो 7. इट विल गिव अस 7 4s are 28. Here negative sign is there, so minus sign will be there. Minus 2 upon 7 इसे 4 minus 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो with numerator and denominator. So 4 2s are 8. Minus minus plus upon 7 4s are 28 with negative sign. So answer will be 8 upon minus 28. Similarly you can do सेकेंड पार्ट 49. 49 को 7 से डिवाइड कर दो. 7 को देन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई विद न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. उसका आंसर आ जाएगा minus 14 upon 49. यू कैन टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम द गिवन असाइनमेंट. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में ओनली वी हैव टू टेल कि आर द फॉलोइंग रैशनल नंबर्स पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. जिनके आगे माइनस लगा है दैट विल बी नेगेटिव. ये पॉजिटिव है बिकॉज 2 नेगेटिव साइंस आर देयर. सो नेगेटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव. दिस इज पॉजिटिव, दिस वन इज नेगेटिव. ये बच्चे दिस वी विल हैव टू डू बाय कटिंग. ठीक है. यू कैन टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम द रिटन असाइनमेंट. दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इजी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 ऑलरेडी आई एक्सप्लेन टू यू. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 इज represent the following on the number line. For example 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. For this is positive number बच्चे. So it will be on the right hand side of the number line. so denominator is bigger than the numerator, then this number will be between 0 and 1. So we will mark here 1. So बच्चे denominator is 3, so this we will divide into 3 equal parts. This one is 1, 2 and this one is 3. Again I am repeating, part 1, 2, 3. Denominator 3 है, then we will divide this number into 3 equal parts. Then in the numerator which number is this? 2. तो काउंट करो यहाँ से, वी विल नॉट काउंट 0, 0 नहीं काउंट करनी, 1, 2. तो दिस नंबर विल रिप्रेजेंट 2/3. Similarly, -2/3, it is negative, so it will lie on the left hand side of the number line. So 0, -1. Here we will divide these numbers into 3 equal parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3. So 1, 2. This point will represent -2/3. So other question you can try by yourself. 3/4 you will have to divide into 4 equal parts, फिर negative. All questions are easy, you can take help from the written assignment. So students, that's all for today. This work you have to do on your fair notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.